He was the leader at one point, but remember he had to go back to England. So Smith reported that many were dead, some were sick. That brings us down to 130. But then on October 8th, Captain Newport arrived with 70 new colonists. So now we have 200. So we started at 104, had a really steep downhill number of the colonists, but then that came back up with the resupply ship. Went down a little bit because of sickness, and then came back up with more colonists that arrived. Now we're skipping a year. We're skipping, well, actually, we've kind of been talking about 1608 to 1609. This is more of 1609 1610 that's happened. So, in winter of 1608 to 09, 8 died during the winter. So now we're at what class?
192.
What number are we at?
192.
We're at 192. Now, mid-January, we have how many colonists died?
11.
In a what accident?
Boom.
Boating accident. So now what number are we at?
181.
181. Now in the summer, how many were sickened?
100.
100 were sickened, and
Half of the
everybody
number.
say half.
Half.
The number died.
The number died.
Guys, 100 sick colonists, and half of them died. So that brings us to what total?
131.
131. So then we have August 11 through 18. We have 6 ships bring 250 new settlers. Doesn't that sound so promising?
Yeah.
So now what number are we at?
381.
381. Then in August, October of
128.
then stationed near the
Fall.
Powhatans
Killed.
near half. So there were 120 men stationed near the falls. And then that number gets cut in half by the Powhatans. So now what number are we at?
330.
330. And from November to May, which is the year of 1610, how many colonists?
110.
Colonists died from famine and disease during the Powhatan siege. Okay, just to let you know, a siege is to surround an enemy counter fort over many days, starve the people out. They surround an enemy counter fort and over many days starve the people out. So, another, what were slain? 33. And how many desert?
37.
Can anybody tell me what they think dessert means? This is not the dessert you eat. This is not an ice cream sundae. This is a different kind of dessert. Okay, this is 1S. This is not desert either, where it's dry and sandy. But what kind of dessert is this, Sarah? What do you think this word dessert means?
Like another word, like how many dead people there were?
Not quite. Ethan, do you know?
A bunch of people deserted somewhere.
Okay, I want you to turn back to your partners, and I want you to talk about this word dessert, D-E-S-E-R-T, and what you think it means. Go. 20 seconds. Work with your partner. Let's see you talking with your partner. What does this word dessert mean? I'm going to give you 10 more seconds. Talk to your partner. What do you think this word means? Talk with your partner. I want to see y'all talking, guys. I want to see you talking with your partner. What do you think this word dessert means? Remember, it's already telling us that 33 were slain or were killed. And they already said that means die, but this word desert does not mean kill, does not mean die. So let's come back, let's come back. Let's come back to, let's come back. So. Desert means they left. They had it, they'd had enough, and they left. I decided to go ahead and say it because I didn't quite hear that y'all were getting it. I just wanted to see kind of what you're coming up with. I know a lot of y'all thought that it means kill, but it doesn't. It actually means those people had it up and they got out of it. They left. They're like, we ain't doing this no more. We're gone. We gone. We out.
Kind of like the desert, like Easter, it was deserted, no one there.
Yes, deserted. No one was there. So to desert means they left. They got out of there. So now let's go ahead. I want to see how much y'all are able to get out of this. So we have 4 questions. Okay, I think that we can actually. I'm willing to bet that if I have you guys get in groups, you can solve these questions all on your own. I know that you can. So, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, so we have a group back there. That's group. We'll do group 1 back there, and then I want. Let's see. I want group 2 here, these 4. Okay, group 2, do y'all understand who you are? Group 2. And then we have group 3. And these 3 right here, we have group 4. If y'all need to move, you may. Okay, so let's go ahead and get up. Let's move. If whatever number your group is the number of question that you have. So we have group 1, question 1, question 2, we have question 3, we have question 4. So you may go ahead and get the move. Now I want you to go ahead and figure out the answers to these questions.